Welcome back. Today, we are going to be talking about vertical angles and solving some problems associated with those angles. So, the key concept here is that vertical angles are always congruent. So, these two blue angles here, right here, this one here, and this one here, these are vertical angles, and so they are congruent, meaning they're the same angle measure. And then same with these purple angles. This angle here and this angle here, these are also vertical angles. And so therefore these are also congruent. Vertical angles are created whenever we have two lines or line segments or rays that are crossing each other. The angles that are non-adjacent, so not beside each other, but across from one another, like these two purple ones and these two blue ones, are the adjacent or are the vertical angles rather. And therefore they are the same measure, they are congruent. So for example, here they ask us to find the missing angle. Well, it looks like these two angles are vertical angles because they are not adjacent, they're not beside each other, and they're formed by two straight lines, line 1 and line 2. So since the first one is 38 degrees, the missing angle x is also 38 degrees as well, because again, vertical angles are congruent, meaning same angle measure. Now, what about this second example? Here we have the same scenario where clearly these two angles, the 3x plus 4 angle and the 115, are vertical angles, so therefore they are congruent. So in terms of the missing angle, it is going to be 115 as well, because both have to be the same. Now, how about finding x? To find x, we must say, well, the angles are the same. That means 3x plus 4 must be equal to 115. And then we just solve this the way we would solve any two-step equation. I do have an entire middle school math video on solving two-step equations if you'd like to do more practice on that. But I will briefly go over that here as well. So first thing I'm going to do is I will be subtracting 4 from both sides. If I do that, I get that 3x is equal to 111. Then if I divide both sides by 3, I get that x is equal to 37. And so therefore, x is 37, and the missing angle here is 115 because the other one was 115. All right, if you have any questions, feel free to leave those in the comment section, and we'll see you for the next one.